Cars have had powerful computers inside them for years, but that hasn't really improved the way that we drive them. In creating Automatic, we set out to unlock our car's potential and redefine people's relationship to driving, making it safer, more efficient, and fun. We did this by introducing your car to your smartphone. It all starts with the Automatic link. Just plug it into your car's data port and follow the simple instructions on screen. Now your car and smartphone will connect wirelessly whenever you drive. Most people don't realize just how big an impact their driving style can have on fuel efficiency. You can save up to a third on gas with only a few adjustments to how you drive. And Automatic helps you do that without being a backseat driver. It learns about your driving style and gives you subtle audio cues when you do things that waste gas, like accelerating quickly. The app shows your weekly drive score and trip timeline so you can track your progress and see where to improve. A high score could save you hundreds on gas every year. When you drive, Automatic monitors your car's health and warns you if something's wrong. So if your check engine light comes on, you'll see a description of the problem and possible solutions. You can even clear the light yourself and save a trip to the mechanic. Because Automatic connects to your car when you drive, it always knows where you parked. Your family can even access that location for seamless car sharing. Accidents happen, and far too often there isn't someone there to help. If you're ever in a crash, Automatic alerts 911 with your location. It can even contact your loved ones to let them know what's happened and that help is on the way. We wanted to reimagine what driving could be, and I think we did that with Automatic. We believe that cars should live up to their potential and that every driver can be a smarter driver. That's why we created Automatic, the smart driving assistant.
Meet Sensibo, a unique device that makes any air conditioner smart, making your life comfortable. Sensibo turns off the AC when you leave home and saves up to 40% on energy consumption. With the Sensibo app, you can easily control the AC from anywhere, assuring the right temperature at the right time. Sensibo, your smart AC has
I love exploring the world with my little companion. He watches me carefully, following my every command. He's always waiting for me to take him outside. He loves to travel with me. He's always curious to see what's around the next corner. And thanks to him, my travels make much more sense. Meet Turtle, my four-wheeled friend.
And meet us. We're a team of both engineers and travelers. For some time, we thought about a solution that could help people just like us develop their passion of creating and let them easily share all the adventures with friends.
And that's how the idea of Turtle was born. Turtle is the world's first Earth rover, a remote-control open-source platform capable of working in harsh terrain. Turtle is the ideal travel companion, helping you to rediscover this beautiful planet in real time, allowing you to reach new and unseen places. With a design inspired by NASA, Turtle easily overcomes all-terrain obstacles. Made of strong aerospace-grade materials, Turtle drives slowly and steadily, making it a super stable and reliable mobile platform. Driving Turtle is just like playing a video game, but in real life. The only device you need to control the rover is your smartphone or tablet. If something strikes your eye, snap a picture, or record videos whenever you like, then share them with your friends. One rover provides infinite possibilities. If you want to upgrade it, add more cameras or sensors, no problem. Thanks to Turtle's multiple waterproof slots and open-source software, you can add whatever you want. To give you an example, we've included a robotic arm in the price of the Rover kit exclusively for you, our Kickstarter family. Turtle can be used in both professional and personal scenarios. Inside the case, there's a special watertight compartment for your own electronics. Waterproof connectors and an upper mounting plate allow you to mount just about any type of equipment on your Rover. Turtle is waterproof, easy to transport, and can be driven for up to 4 hours. All Turtle's features were designed with the greatest care by us, a group of people who like to create stuff. We made Turtle to be a reliable, open platform that you can adapt to your own needs. The only real limit is your imagination.
As Turtle Team, we believe that everyone should be able to expand on their passion and experience wonderful adventures. After over a year of development, Turtle is almost ready, but we can only launch this product with your support.
Introducing Vobot, the world's first smart clock with Amazon Alexa, which you can set alarms, timers, check the weather, read news, listen to music, and more. Vobot is a revolutionary AI-enhanced voice interactive smart clock that helps you make the most of the day. It is very easy to set alarms with the Vobot. Just tap and say, "Set an alarm for 7 a.m. every day." To start the alarm, you could hold the screen for 3 seconds or shake to dismiss the alarm. If you don't want to get up immediately, just flip Vobot over and he will wake you up in 9 minutes. When you get up, you can check weather directly from Vobot. How is the weather today?
Currently, in Los Angeles, California, it's 68 degrees.
When you're cooking, Vobot is also very helpful. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Easy, quick, friendly, never miss the right time. Vobot can be a music player at your party. You can access to any playlist from iHeartRadio, TuneIn, and Amazon Music. Except that, World Clock. Sleep sound. Customize alarm music. Shopping. Taxi. Smart home. More and more features.
Discover how to use your Pulso 2. First of all, you will notice the Pulso 2 only has one button. Press it to change the display mode. You can cycle through the data tracked by your Pulso 2. Steps, elevation, distance, calories, heart for heart rate and blood oxygen level, sleep, and a time display screen. Time to go to bed? Place the Withings Pulso 2 in the wristband and launch the sleep tracking. To do so, press the button until you see the heart sleep screen. Then press your finger on the moon. Next, slide your finger across the Pulso 2 screen from right to left. The next morning, a sleep cycle graph and key sleep quality indicators are available in the app. Want to check your vital signs? Take the Withings Pulso 2 between your hands and launch the reading. To do so, press the button until you see the heart moon screen. Then press your finger on the heart. Place your finger gently on the light sensor on the back of the Pulso 2. A few seconds later, your heart rate and blood oxygen level are displayed on the screen. Your Pulso 2 automatically syncs with your smartphone throughout the day. However, if you want, you can launch a manual synchronization by pressing the top button for 3 seconds. Wait for the synchronization to be done. Right after the measurements, all the results are automatically uploaded to your Withings account.
Introducing Zeus, the world's first truly smart car charger. Designed in Germany, Zeus has both brains and beauty. The elegant shine lighting system provides enhanced visibility in dark environments. And most importantly, Zeus is the only smart charger that can help you find your car. When you're at a loss, simply open the Zeus app and follow the red arrow to find your car. Zeus also sports a powerful smart chipset to deliver the swiftest charge to any device. Charge 2 iPads at 2 times the speed of normal car chargers. Zeus is also the only charger to meet US military high-temperature standard.